Nah, it got kick, but it ain't bad. You'll get used to it. Chopper, boy. Yeah. Yeah. You got a little bit of it. When you fold it in, you get the real kick. I got the thing to stop it.
Yeah, click it back no more, do it.
Nah, hell no. Just keep rip, let that bit rip. See them shells flying everywhere, boy. Woo. Huh?
I'm hitting it over.
Yeah, I don't know. You shot in the ground just then, but the first one you hit, you knocked the thing out. You gotta get. You see, how you aiming going down. So you gotta get down low, so you can be able to aim. You know what I'm saying? Like how I was, and it go straight through the thing to the dirt. See, right now your shit going to the ground. You gotta get down a little lower. Either sit in that chair and shoot it. See the chair? Right? Huh? Oh, to cut it off?
I don't want that bitch to be here.
You still got one in the head though.
I'm saying one in the head. I don't want to.
That's a safety. I'll film you. I'm finna get off on it now. You feel me? Ooh. Trying to run that baby, was knocking me back.
That bitch went to kicking. That bitch went there.
I would have hit that bitch would have knocked me back.